Greetings and welcome to VC Math Department Canvas Shell. I'm assuming you are watching this video because you want to make a contribution to our Canvas page. So the reason we've selected this image here of these figures working together to put money in the bank is that that's how this Canvas shell is designed. It's not meant for one or two people to oversee and to maintain. It's designed that everyone as a community can contribute and have access to the Canvas page. So everyone has, responsibility, if you choose to contribute to this Canvas shell. So the purpose of this video today will show you how to add a file, a resource file into Canvas. So this could be a sample final or a practice exam or a very interesting article you've read about growth mindset or habits of mind, or it could be PowerPoint slides, any of those. At this point in time, all of the resources that are currently on Canvas for our department, they're 99% files of the form, Word document, PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel. Okay, so let's continue into our example where we will demonstrate how to make a contribution to the Canvas page. Okay. All right. So here I'm at the VC Math Department Canvas shell, and what I want to do is upload a file from my computer into Canvas, and then from there provide a link within one of our Canvas pages. So let's say I'm teaching Math V44. I use a standard normal table that I like and I want to share it with my colleagues. Okay, so one thing is that, well, you should know where the file is saved on your computer. Okay, so step one, what we will do is once we're in the Canvas page, we will go over here to the files. Okay, so this is where all of the information is stored for our resources. So if you click on files here, you will get a long list of folders here. Okay, a long list of folders for each class. So, and go to the class where you want to make a contribution to. Okay, so here, just in general, we have learning skills, VO1, VO2, all the way to Math V52. Okay, and of course we have student resources here. Okay, so I want to make a contribution to Math V44, so I click on the folder here, and I see, well, where does my standard normal formula sheet fall in? I'll say, well, here in class activities and worksheets. Now, if you feel that the material you created doesn't fall into any of these folders, you may create a new folder by just pressing this button here. Just give it a nice, easy name that's easy to reference. Okay, so I'm going to click here. So I want to upload my file into this folder. So now that I found the folder in which I want to upload into, now I go ahead and hit this button here. Okay, so I hit this button, upload, and now it takes me to my my computer here. So excuse the mess, I got a few files in here, but here I'm going to go to VC, my V14 course, where I have saved a standard normal table, and it's a PDF. So it'd be helpful, in all your file names, you give a nice name. So this is stand table, but maybe I should rename it later to standard normal table, something like that, for easier reference. But so here I'll just open this here, and we wait, and boom. So once we see this green check here, it means that it is there and it is available. Okay, so that's more or less step one, meaning we have to get the file we want to contribute and upload it into Canvas. Okay, so the next step now is we want to make it visible on our Canvas page. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to go to Pages. So let's click on Pages here. Okay. So I want to add my resource to the the V44 page. So I'm going to go ahead here and click on Math V44 tile here. Okay. Now once I'm here, of course I want to add it to here. I want to add my my file into here, into in-class activities and worksheets. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll hit this edit button up here. Okay, so once I hit this edit button, it'll allow me to edit the existing Math V44 hub. Okay, so we hit the edit button here. Okay, and so let me just expand this out here. So this is the table. You know, I want to add, I don't know, to this table, you know, maybe I'll add another column to it. So once you click on the table, this bar down here will appear, and this is table properties. Delete the table, please don't do that. Insert row, before or after, delete row, and then insert column before or after. So I'm going to insert a column after. So let's see. So here we go. So here's my column here. So in here, I want to give a description. This is my standard normal table. Okay. So this is my standard normal table here. So now what I do is that's a proper description, and I think if my colleagues were to be skimming through here, they saw this description, they would know what it is. Okay, so once I'm here, I could just highlight this piece of text. Okay, now here's the real slick part in Canvas, that it's really easy to link to the files. I just highlight this text here, and then I move my mouse up here, and there's links, files, images. So we want to click here in files, because that's where I recently uploaded my file. So once I go to files, I go ahead and scroll down to find V44. Okay, and V44 is here. Okay, V44 is here. And if I go into in-class activities, here I click on that folder, and voila, there is my file. So by just clicking on this, and you see how it highlighted yellow, and now if I remove the font, now I have the blue color font there, meaning that I have successfully linked the file there. So once you're done, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom and hit save. Oh, and by the way, before I move forward, if you ever see this idea bulb, it means, yeah, so far for this activity outside of class activities and worksheets, if you have an idea, please post here. So it means it's under construction or waiting to be fulfilled here. Okay, but once you're done, don't forget to hit save. There you go. All right. And if you want to check to see if it works, you can go ahead and click right here, and it's going to download as a PDF. And fingers crossed. Drum roll, please. Boom. Voila. Here's our standard normal table. Okay, so everything worked out nice. And here we have our standard normal table here. Okay, easy link here. So in general, to upload a file, 2 steps. 1, get the file into Canvas by using the files option here. And then step 2, provide the link within the courses hub. So of course I went to the Math V44 tile, I clicked there, and then I went to the edit. And then once I did the edit, I entered the description and added the link there. Okay, so a few steps involved, but well worth it. And really, Canvas has a nice way of linking to files, making it very easy to access. And with that, that is all I have for today. That is all I have for today. A future video may come up where if you want to upload a folder of PowerPoint slides, we could do that as well. Okay, but I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Have a good day.